Hey guys, welcome back. Congratulations on learning how to use formulas. Now we're going to take it a bit further. Instead of typing in the value, we're going to develop a relationship. Okay? So let me show you what that is. We go equals. Originally we had equals 5 plus 2. Okay? Now the problem with that is if we change this to 10, number 7 over here is not going to update itself. Okay? Let me show you. Enter. Right? What we wanted to do is to be connected. So we want this value, actually let me pull out the formula. We want this 5 to be connected to this 5, okay? And this 2 to be connected to this formerly 2. So that allows us to connect our worksheet together, all our cells, so that it updates itself. This is one of the amazing powers of Microsoft Excel. So let me teach you how to do that now. Let's change that back to 2. Now what we want to do is we want to go equals, always start with the equals. Now instead of typing in 5, you just want to click the cell, like so. Alright, now you'll notice this has now changed. Okay, what this refers to is B, which is this B, right? And 3, which is this row number 3. So if I get my drawing tool out again, you got B3. Actually, let me do it a different way. You got everything in B and then everything in 3. Now where they line up is where this refers to, which is here. Make sense? Very easy. Right. So next thing you do is you want to add it to something else. So plus, and now you select the second number. Like so. And Excel will automatically create the formula for you. All you gotta do now is press enter. And there you go. So if you double click, it's linked up, and you'll also notice that it's been highlighted now. And you can move these around. Alright? There you go. So that's how you do addition. Now we want to extend it. We don't want to type it in. So let's just use the fill handle we learned earlier. Like so. And there we have it. All the formulas are built. And that's how you do addition. See you guys soon.